We all know that when you sell products online, especially on marketplaces like Amazon, choosing the right product is the most important first step. A wrong product choice can waste your time, money, and effort. So, smart product research is very important to make sure you pick the product with good chance to sell, not the risky ones. Today, we will talk about how to use SmartScout, a powerful product research tool, and I will share the simple but effective tips to find winning product before you invest. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find tools that make selling easier and smarter. If you like this idea, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. That link helps you to get the full access or any special offers if available. So check the deal, and now let's talk about the how Smart Scout works and what you should test or check when you use it to do product research. Or I will explain it in simple steps for beginners also. When you open Smart Scout, the first tool you may use is the product finder or product search. Here you choose a category or several categories you think you want to sell, and Smart Scout contains a huge number of product listing, so many that you could see thousands in one go. But the key is to use the filters carefully. You can filter by estimated monthly revenue, numbers of seller, review count, review rating, price or buy box price, and other data. With good filters, you can narrow down a product that look promising, meaning they probably sell well but are not yet saturated with many sellers. One very useful tip: avoid products where the big marketplace itself, like Amazon or many sellers dominate. Smart Scout lets you check the in-stock rate for Amazon and count number of sellers. If Amazon has large stock or too many sellers flood the listing, competition becomes very hard. So use the filter to avoid such of the items. After you have a short list of candidate product, use other Smart Scout tool like seller map, traffic graph, or the keyword detective. The seller map shows you who the top sellers are in the category or product. So you can understand how many serious sellers are selling similar items and where they are. This helps you to avoid overly crowded categories. The traffic graph shows you how customers move inside the marketplace, which listings get most views or sales, which items are bought together, or which one draw more click-through. This helps you to spot product or niches where demand is real, not just guessing based on the reviews. Meanwhile, the keyword detective helps you to find search terms and product ideas that people are actually looking for. Instead of random guessing, you can see what buyers search for and where competition is low. This saves you from launching products that nobody searches for. Another important tips: pay the attention to the listing quality. Smart Scout evaluates product pages with a page score or similar metric that shows how well the listing is prepared, images, description, or the content. Poor listing pages often signal lazy sellers or low effort product. If product page quality is low but demand seems good, that may be a chance for you to make a better listing and stand out. Also, think about long-term stability, not only quick trends. Sometimes a product sells well for the short term, maybe a seasonal item, but later drops. So use Smart Scout's view of historical data or market history when it's possible, and see whether a product or brand has stable sales over the time or just a short spike. That helps you to avoid wasting money on a seasonal product or a fad product. If you plan wholesale or wholesale based business instead of private label, Smart Scout helps you too. You can filter by brand or the sellers that are primarily wholesale friendly. Check their revenue, seller distribution, and see if there is room for you to enter without clashing big sellers. This is very useful if you don't want to create your own brand but want to resell existing popular items. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand how it can help you in your business. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found these Smart Scout research tips helpful, give this video a like and share it with your friends or fellow sellers. and check the link from description for the full access or any deals or the offers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.